Hey guys, I am Dr. Priyasri and you are watching Mom's Passion. As you all know that we have moved in to our own apartment and it's time to organize, decorate and functionally design the different parts of our house in our own comfortable way. So today I am going to share with you how I have organized my kitchen countertop in a truly functional, useful and decorative way. Please stay with me and enjoy the video. Our kitchen is basically a L-shaped one of dimension about 10 into 12. In one of the corner, we have placed our microwave oven and in the middle the gas stove. My hob and chimney purchase is yet to be. On the other side near to the sink area, I have an induction cooktop. In the back side or near to the entrance area, we have designed an island breakfast counter. This is a multi-purpose table with plenty storage drawers. Organized cabinets and drawers not only save our precious time but also looks functionally appealing too. These pendant lights, which are just right above to the breakfast counter, looks aesthetically beautiful. Here I am trying to use the wooden and glass products which are a little bit eco-friendly and fascinating, especially to the kitchen area. This beautiful lemon shaped lemon crusher works great for me. It's an instant orange juicer as you can see here. I will add these greens which will embellish the space and in truly different way. And now this part of this micro oven top is looking something like this. This left corner I'll place all my wooden spatulas and with other things which I need daily so that it will be handy and can save a lot of cooking time. Spices are essential for Indian cooking, especially like cumin seeds, mustard seeds and some other tea making spices that I am going to place besides to my cooking area in these 100 ml glass containers. These containers are available in a steel stand or tray which will make my cleaning process easy. Right besides to them, I'll place a wooden tray and I'll keep some daily essentials like oil, salt, turmeric powder, etc. These glass containers are eco-friendly and minimize many of the harmful chemicals. I'm trying to make our kitchen slowly a plastic-less kitchen, and these snake plants are grown in a broken cup which has been gifted by my husband. In the front, I will keep a IKEA artificial plant. In the rest part of the corner, I will place a transparent glass cups and saucers in a stand. With the stand, it will be easy for me to clean the place and also it looks appealing. As we are herbal tea users, So these types of cups really works great for us. Now this corner looks something like this. Now it's time to decorate the windowsill. What can be better than growing some plants on this place? Bright light and air can make them grow and bloom nicely. I'm using here orange containers which will match to our kitchen theme. This island table is a multifunctional place for us. Now I'm going to make a healthy corner. I usually place our fruit basket over it. But now I'm going to keep some dry fruits which will be visible to consume. I'm trying to avoid out of sight and out of mind principle. To enhance the beauty, I place one flower bucket near to the table. I'm not keeping too many things on the countertop which will look cluttered, and also it will take a lot of time for cleaning. This island table is looking something like this. The sink faucet sprayer gives additional benefit for cleaning the fruits and vegetables and also the sink itself. This sink caddy is very easy to install. We don't need to nail or drill. Easily sticks on the tiles of the kitchen. These adhesive hooks are renter friendly and can be used to hang light things. I don't wanna know, no, 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 who's taking you home, loving you so, the way I used to love you, no, I don't wanna know, no, 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 who's taking you home, loving you so, the way. The sanitizers and hand creams like aloe vera and others, which I place in a small tray and keep it under the sink area so that I can use so often. Take it. Baby, every place I go reminds me of you.